Dear students, here is the video clip for the online class which held today. Today in exercise 5.8 we discussed question number 4 which is given on page number 65. Question number 4 is multiply 527 and 4615 by 11 using addition. You see, yesterday we studied about the simple trick to find the product. Now how to find the product with addition means we will not multiply, we will do plus and we have to find the product. So the plus method, I mean the addition method of finding the product is as follow. You can see A, the question is 526 by 11. We have to multiply by 11 and using which method? Addition method. So for this we have the first step. First step is whatever is the multiplicand given, in that multiplicand starting place you put a 0 and rest of the digits you write as it is. This is the first step. Suppose the next multiplicand is 4615. Now what we will do is before this 4 we will put 1 0. Okay, so this is your first step. Now the second step is after writing their 0, what we have to do is now starting from the ones place we will go on adding. How to add? You see, ones place number we have to add with tens place number. How? That is 6 plus 2. We will get here 8. Got it? Then tens place number we will add with hundreds place number. When we will add tens and 100, we will get there 2 plus 5, that is 7. Okay, and then tens place we have added with hundreds place. Hundreds place number we will add with the 0 which we have written. So 5 plus 0, it will be 5. You got it what I have said? First step is put the 0 in starting and leave the number as it is. Second step is starting from the ones place go on adding the digits. How to add? Ones place with the tens place, tens place with the hundreds place, hundreds place with the thousands place, that is the 0. One more step is there in this same steps 2 only. The ones place number which is written, that number will be written as it is without changing. First, the ones place number which is written, that will be written as it is without changing. Got it? And this will be your answer. What is the answer we will get here? That is 5786 is your answer of multiplying 526 by 11. You can check your answer also. 526 into 1 6 are 6, 2 are 2, 5 are 5, 6, 2 and 5. 6, 8, 7 and 5. Can you see? 5786, 5786. Got it clear? Very simple. Put a 0 in the starting place. Ones place number write as it is. Go on adding ones, tens and so on. This was your 4A. I'll tell you 4B also, then it will be much clear to you. 4B, the question is like this. 4615. 4615 multiply by 11. You see, just follow the steps and you will reach to the answer. First step is in the given multiplicand starting you write 0 followed by rest of the digits. Second step is we have to start adding all the given digits. So first of all the ones place digit will be written as it is without changing. Ones place digit will be written as it is. Then what we have to do? Ones and tens we will add. We'll get here 6. Tens and 100 we will add. We'll get here 7. 100 and 1000 we will add. Now you have to mark the point. You will get here 10. What we have to do with this 10? When we will add this 1000 and 10,000 place, na, in this 4, this number which is of 2 digit, this will be carried forward here. It will become 5. Got it? If here would have been 0, then no change. 4 would be written 4 only. But we have a 2-digit number now. From this number will be carried forward with the next place. Now how will we write the answer? From downside to upside, that is 50765. You can check your answer also. 4615 into 11. 1 5s are 5, 1s are 1, 6 are 6, 4s are 5164. So 5670 and 50765. Can you see both the answers are same? Yes. So this is how we do addition multiply using the number that is 11. First step, write the 0. Second step, ones place number write as it is, then go on adding ones and tens, then tens and 100, 100 and 1000, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. After doing this addition, wherever a 2-digit number will come, from that the tens place number will be shifted forward as a carry. So this question number 4 we discussed today in exercise 5.8. Tomorrow we will move forward to 5.9.